We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming for an announcement from Paper to People podcast. Hi, it's Carolyn, your hostess with the mostest, Carolyn Nee Lachlan. How you doing? I know you haven't heard from me in a while. I am editing, even as we speak, a special episode called Skelly Rellies. I talked about it last year. I accumulated recordings from listeners last year, and then I didn't get to make it last year, and I apologize for that. But this year, it's all happening. And what I'm looking for right now is written recipes. Do you have any Halloween-related family recipes? Candies, cakes, something that the family ate together on Halloween night, or something that the family gave out back before it had to be prepackaged and bought in a grocery store? If so, that's what I'm looking for. If you will, please message me directly on Twitter at Ancestors Alive, or you can message me through the Ancestors Alive Facebook page or in the Facebook group, or even on my Patreon. But wherever you choose to contact me, all I need is your name, the name of the person who created or made the recipe, its significance to your family, and then the text of the recipe itself. And I will read it into the podcast. And it doesn't matter. You can come from the Northern Hemisphere and celebrate the way that I do, with cold weather and falling leaves and pumpkin spice. Or you could be from the Southern Hemisphere, where it's spring and I have no idea at all how you celebrate Halloween. But either way, this is a Halloween episode about family. So please join me for it. It'll be posting on Halloween, and please participate beforehand. 2 days left through the 29th of October. Submit something to me and I will add it in gladly. Thanks a lot, you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Stay groovy and, expect surprises.